Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook technical error. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Whether the application is keeping on crashing or stopping, there's a very simple fix for it. So all you have to do is to make sure to exit the application, and then make sure that it's fully closed so you can just swipe up again and then close that like that. From here we're going to go to our settings, so you can scroll down and then go down again, and you can see the gear icon on the bottom, so click on that. Once we go to the settings section, then from here we're going to click on the apps. Once we click on the apps, then from here we can see all apps, and then click on that. Now from here we have the list. Simply search for Facebook. Once we find Facebook, click on that. Once we are right here in the Facebook application, make sure to click on force stop so that it's fully stopped. And then from here we can see in the bottom the storage and cache. So make sure to click on that. Once you click on the storage section, make sure to click on clear cache, which is on the right. And then from here, going to click on clear storage. Now, make sure that you remember your login and password in case it logs you out fully, because deleting the app storage mostly deletes everything, but also that includes any of the issues or the errors that keep on happening. So once you clear the storage and cache fully, you're going to make sure to go back. And now from here, we have the permissions section. So sometimes because you're trying to take a photo or release a contact or maybe share a location, the access for the permission is not there. And for some Android phones, it makes it laggy and unresponsive. So all you have to do is to make sure that it has all the permissions that it needs. So when you click on any of the permissions, you can see don't allow or allow. Make sure you allow everything just for now temporarily. And then make sure that this pause app activity if unused, make sure to turn it off and so that it can run smoothly. Finally, you're going to now exit out of the settings. And then from here, we're going to go to our Play Store or App Store, whatever you have downloaded. And then from here, we're going to search for Facebook. Once we are on Facebook, we're going to open it. And here, if it says the word update, you're going to make sure to click on update and have it updated to the latest version. Finally, once it updates and finishes, you're going to then restart your entire phone. And once you restart and you go back to Facebook and try to log in, that should solve all the technical issues. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.